Okay, let's see how you set up the resolution of your animation. You have to go to the animation, to the rendering setting, I'm sorry. And under Common, you scroll down until you find the image size. Right now the preset is on HD 540. I can change it to HD 720. And I can see here that the width will be 1280 and the height 720. I also see other parameters here. I see that it comes out of the perspective camera, which is what I want. And this is something that we can look more in detail later on, how to set up all your preferences for rendering. But what is important right now is that you have the right proportion between width and height, so that you can frame your animation in the way that you prefer. So I'm going to close here. And one more step I want to take is to go into the viewport, into the perspective. I'm going to go to View, Camera Setting, Resolution Gate. This way I can actually see the proportion of my resolution, and therefore when I make my composition of my animation, I know exactly what is in the frame and what is outside the frame.